What's up, sir?
Hi, hi, hi.
How are
What's
you,
up?
sir?
Top of the world as always.
Fantastic, fantastic. So the moment I started this chat, a lot of people there was a comment that आज तो मामू आ रहे हैं, मामू आ रहे हैं. So, so somehow your first film, second film, it continues to live with you.
Yeah, for a long time it was only Mamu. Then for a long period of time, even today, it's virus. I'm okay with anything, no
Right.
problem.
What about your directorial venture? How do we see that? Like, where do you see that now?
I see that little held up. It's okay.
Mm.
Simply because we were just about to start, casting and doing a few hiring and that kind of thing. But
Mm.
everything happens for the best. Spiral Bound came around. My sessions on screenwriting are called Spiral Bound. So Spiral
Mm.
Bound came around. I got to review some of my own work. Teaching is the best way to learn, they say.
Of course.
And I'll do a little tweaking. Once it opens, we'll start again. Negativity has no place in your life. If you want to progress and process something good and feel that, I am, what bad luck. Everybody's in the lockdown. The whole world is in the lockdown. You're not special. That's, somebody picked on you. The whole world is in the lockdown. तो जब खुलेगा तो करेंगे ना, Farooq.
Of course.
It's a film that I wanted to make for a long time, and we'll make it this year or the coming year. No problem. But we don't give up, do we?
And so you had this wonderful session with Johnny Lever the other day.
Yeah.
On Instagram, I saw it live.
Yeah.
It was absolutely wonderful. And as you rightly said, I think it's very important to cheer people up and to just ensure that humor is, I think, one of the best ways of doing it. And one should not be apologetic about being happy.
I think somebody like Johnny Lever is like 1 in a million, 1 in a billion. He actually is 1 in a billion.
Right.
And I just said, Johnny Bhai, he opens his mouth, you feel like smiling. He says the first setup of the joke, you feel like laughing. By the time he comes to the punchline of the joke, you're on the floor. Now, that people don't get so easily. That quality, you immediately, instantaneous. If I start cracking a joke, by the time I get you all warmed up, and by the time it takes time. Johnny Lever is out there. So I thought it was very important to send it out to people that there is a philosophy in how he is also thinking, but he's looking at it with such humor that please, just smile. And one person said, I banged my head against the lamppost. I had gone for a walk in Niche, my garden. And he banged his head against the lamppost while he was laughing. He would tongue you and then hit himself. It's so beautiful. You need people to cheer you up. I have an ability to make people smile. You should make people smile. Use the ability. You don't wait to make a movie and show your talent as an actor. Do it now when people need it the most.
Of course, of course. So one very, very unique quality about you has been that you have this wonderful intellectual ability. You're a highly well-read person. You've seen all sorts of movies from all across the world. You've worked with the likes of Shyam Benegal, for example, and but at the same time, when you're interacting with someone like, say, Johnny Lever, for example, or when you're doing slapstick comedies that you've been part of, we never get the feeling that you're judging the person. Which is beautiful. Like, say, when you're interacting with say Johnny Lever, for example, you are taking that context into account, and that is beautiful. How important is the art of communication, sir? Taking the context into account.
I kind of get what you're saying. But you must understand that if, first of all, you consider me intellectual, I don't. I just like to read. I just like to learn. I just like to analyze things in a different way. If you call it intellectualism, okay? Intellectualism bol dijiye. But the fact is, I relate to learning, but I also relate to human beings. And I think it's very important that everybody is not like Johnny Lever. Everybody's not like me. Everybody's not like you. Everybody is like everybody that makes this beautiful world. And it's not about communication. It's about humanity at the end of the day. If we do not understand that all people are different, and when they come together, they can be the same. And the similarity is only probably love and affection. That's the one thing that binds people together. People who are listening in over here, some people are much more intelligent than I am, or you are. And some people may not be. But what are we sitting and talking about over here? We're eventually trying to connect as human beings.
Of course.
So the communication is just the respect of another human being and wanting to understand how that human being behaves. So I don't think one becomes superior because one is well read. One is superior, I think, if at all one is superior, is because one has more love in the heart. ये थोड़ा मतलब greeting card जैसा बात कर लिया मैंने, लेकिन ये
the fact is that Boman Irani becomes superior because you're able to relate to so many people at various levels. You know, that makes it I think wonderful as far as you are concerned. And intellectual is, I think it's relative. We can define intellectualism in a lot of
कहाँ
ways.
लेके जाएंगे इसको? प्यार छोड़ के जाएंगे ना?
Right, of course. प्यार छोड़ के जाएंगे. Of course. And so in that chat with Johnny Lever, you had your 83 co-star Ranveer Singh joining in, and he was saying that he is helping out his wife at home.
Ranveer, yeah, it was very cute. He came. A lot of people jumped onto that thing because they realized that, you know, I think people need a little bit of love. They need a little smile. So they all came into support. They all came into support at that moment of time. It was beautiful, yeah. It was totally beautiful. And Ranveer, of course, has got another thing. Everybody can't be like Ranveer Singh. He's got such unbelievable energy and such joy to see people around him. That's all that matters. That's all. Karan came in. So many other people came in. Atul Khatri came in. It was so sweet. And so many young comedians came in to understand and support that comedy and a smile. Not comedy. A smile is going to be a very big injection.
Of course.
You know? And Ranveer immediately realized that and came, and he was so lovely and he was so energetic in all of it. He kept on sending, you know, what are these comments that keep coming along? He kept sending them. I called Najib.
Right, sir. And so 83 was supposed to release in April, and now it has been pushed indefinitely. How do you look at this state of cinema as of today?
It's pushed to, I don't know when. You've got some news wherein it's pushed till?
No, there is indefinitely. There is no... In theaters, we don't know. But movies are releasing on OTT platforms now. They'll start.
83 cannot release on an OTT platform, unfortunately. It's too big a movie. Scale-wise, every movie is big. अपने जगह पे हर पिक्चर बड़ी होती है. लेकिन 83 ऐसे सोचना चाहिए कि ये पिक्चर तो 84 में बननी चाहिए थी और 84 में रिलीज होनी चाहिए थी. It should have been made in 85. It should have been in 86. But now we're making it in 2020. So it's delayed in any case by 17 years. How many years is that? 83, 92, 93. How many years?
37.
Match both kharab hai. 27 years.
37.
Right. 37 years.
37.
Right. My maths is so bad, huh? There you go. And you call me intellectual. Dekha. But so it's delayed a little more. थोड़ी और डिले देख लेंगे. थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम होगा, थोड़ा नुकसान भी होगा, लेकिन इवेंचुअली फायदा ही फायदा होगा. बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बनी है, बहुत अच्छी फिल्म बनी है. And yeah,
you're saying something.
No, please.
Right. So let me take a few questions from the fans.
बोलो यार, आने दो.
Okay, now Anja Hiksena says she is your fan from Germany.
Oh yeah, Anya.
I think you know her. So ये Vardhan Dawn 2 shooting in Berlin. We miss you all here.
Oh man, Anya is such a sweetheart. I tell you, when we went to Berlin to shoot for Dawn, we got out of the car and we saw these people standing on the street and taking photographs. So एक photograph लिया, दूसरे दिन वो photograph print करके she would bring it down. Next day, then we would get down to go to work. With that, I would sign on that, and then we would take a photo with the photograph that was shot the previous day. ऐसे करके जितनी पूरी schedule है, मेरे पास photographs हैं. They keep in touch even today. On my birthday, this group of people, we celebrate my birthday. I am here, they are there. They take photographs of where we met for the first time every single year. And where we met for the first time, they hold up posters and they send me lots of love. Actually, there's nothing but love over there. Anya, I love you too.
Yama is saying, Munna bhai wali laugh therapy, please. So we won't ask you to laugh like that, but I think
Why not? Why not? Why will you not ask me to laugh? If that's what makes people who are hooked up here happy, do it. No matter how silly it is. No matter how
it was
silly it
amazing,
gets you.
sir. It was amazing.
There you go. You laugh. I laugh for you. Don't say we don't have to do it. Do it. Do it. If it makes people happy, do the silliest thing to make people happy.
But sir,
That's
when you were told about this, that this is what you have to do, and this is you have to do often in the film, what was your reaction like?
मैंने मना कर दिया. मैंने बोला ये क्या है? मैं पागलों की तरह हंसने रहेगा. So, so the thing was, in that sense, we did 2 takes. Raju said, "Do not do it unless and until you're convinced." We did it once. Sunil Dutt साहब was there. Sunil Dutt was wondering ये क्या हंस रहा है. मतलब उनको समझ में नहीं आया कि बुड्ढे को क्या हो गया. बुड्ढा being me. तो मैं एक टेक किया, बोला one take with, one take without. Your laughter therapy was going to go because I just found it ridiculous and irritating. Imagine somebody laughing all the time. And finally I agreed and did only 1 take when I realized that when I laugh, I'm in pain. When I laugh, if I'm happy, it doesn't work. But when I laugh, I'm in pain, it worked. So that's how it is.
Yama is asking Bomzi, what's next with Raju?
I don't know, honestly, because Raju writes and writes and writes and writes. And he had something on the pipeline. People keep asking me, when is it going to be that we see Munna Bhai Chale America? That is not going to happen, I think. So you can forget about that one. But there's something interesting that's coming up. I can't release the name and the theme before he does, right? So we'll wait.
So Raju sir is coming up with something.
Well, he will. No, he should. We all need it.
With Shah Rukh Khan? Is that with Shah Rukh Khan?
I don't know. Now the journalist in you is showing up. No, I really don't.
All right. So Tahir is having a question for you, sir. Sirji, request one question. कौन सा favorite किरदार, मुन्ना भाई या 3 Idiots या खोसला का घोसला?
Khosla. Without doubt. Khosla. I read Mandri's question. Somebody's asking, Ajesh Parikar is, sir, your first crush. Khosla is my favorite of all time. I think because also it was an underdog film, and also because I never thought, and nobody ever believed that I would be able to essay that role well. I was so incorrectly cast for that role simply because I'm not Punjabi. I don't understand the language very well. I don't have that external demeanor. So getting into that took a lot out of me. And I think the payback was great and happy.
No, of course.
Yeah.
Of course. Prashant is saying, I saw you at the airport once, didn't know how to react. Is it okay to come to celebrities and speak with them, or is it a breach of their privacy?
At the airport, no. Honestly, I have no problem. I don't know about celebrities, but I have no problem. I'll tell you what, it passes my time before my gate opens. So I don't have a problem. I must be having a record of thousands and thousands of pictures taken. And I really and genuinely don't have a problem. As long as people don't push, I'm okay with it. And they don't push kids, I'm okay with it. And so at airports, at least I don't have a problem. Now with social distancing, a lot of those celebrities who didn't like to take it say, social distancing, that might happen, but let's see. It had become part and parcel of my travel that, my family would walk ahead and say, "Tum log jao, main aa raha hu." But kahan ja rahe? The gate is not open yet. What are we rushing for? Take some pictures, bring a smile on people's face. It's important, don't you think? Don't you think?
Right. So Sainath is saying, missing you in Telugu films. Next Telugu movie is what? I was reading somewhere that someone addressed you as Devil, I think, at one of the airports. And that's one of the characters in a Telugu film, which is like hugely popular.
Yeah. I think it's the second most popular film after Bahubali. That particular film. Yeah. The devil is not me. The devil was my daughter. So the last line of the movie is, the devil is back, because he had thrown his daughter out of the house, and then he sent a message to her to please come back, man in a wheelchair. And then he realizes she's standing behind him in the boardroom. And he says, the devil is back. And I don't know how that line caught on. And everywhere I go, they say the devil is back. And I say, wow, that's the power of certain characters and the writer, of course, to invest in something, to make it so memorable. The devil is back. What's so great in that line? But it is so powerful because it is invested in.
Right, of course. So Manvi Sharma is having a question. Has there been any character that you struggle to accept and portray? Which one and why?
I think once I'm on the floors, I think I've never struggled in that sense because I've done a lot of homework. But again, Khosla Ghosla, it was difficult to accept that character. Yeah, ये आदमी ऐसे भी होते हैं क्या? मतलब to see people struggle, to see people squirm, to steal of their money and laugh at their faces. ऐसा कैसा इंसान है? So I struggle to get into it and be really, really mean and cruel. It took a lot out of me, but it was quite delicious. The character, it was quite delicious, and I think the playing of it was in many ways fun. But I did struggle before. It took me a little bit of time before I got into my stride with Khosla Ghosla.
Shivraj Singh, I saw you in a Tamil movie too with Surya. Your acting was awesome in Tamil movie too.
Thank you. What a lovely person Surya is. What a lovely man. What a gentle person. And when you go to Chennai, you realize the power of this gentleman and the power of his popularity. And you go there and you see, my God, they are like huge. But when he's with you, he's taking care of you. He's showing you respect. Sends you food, which his wife cooks. There's something so warm about this gentleman. I just loved working with him. He's such a lovely man. Such a lovely man. I'm so privileged to have worked with him. And the same film, I worked with the great Mr. Mohanlal. And it was great. And we would talk. I tell you, we could talk. The two of us, we could talk till 2:30 in the morning. Really, we would spend so much time. The thing about acting is not about meeting. It's about meeting interesting people. And you're so lucky to meet these interesting people. What all that Mohanlal sir does. So many things. He does theatre, he cooks, he does magic. He holds magic shows for thousands of people. Kya karte hain, so it's important for us to also raise our game and do things apart from we get stuck to the popularity and we say, I'm popular, let's go towards that. But when you have multifacets, it's even better. You don't go just to the area that makes you feel that, I'm popular.
So we'll take a couple of more questions. I understand that you're extremely busy as well. So we'll take a couple of more. This is Kanishka is having this virus ka ek dialogue ho jaye, sir ji. So have you ever imagined that there will be a virus that will engulf the whole country and your name
the
in
world
the movie?
Log bol rahe ke we virus ko maro. Virus ko, and I said, that's why I sit in the house only. Kidhar gaya hi nahi. Sharman Joshi ka dialogue bahut famous ho gaya tha. Virus! Iske liye मैं किधर जाता ही नहीं.
पकौड़े
पकौड़े बना लो. वही है ना डायलॉग.
जी.
पकौड़े बनाओ. Kanishka, I don't know why this dialogue became so popular. I really don't know why this dialogue became so popular. When I was saying it, like I said, the devil is back. Well, there's context. In Virus and Three Idiots, the opening line, he says, life is a race, right? I'm trying to understand why people relate to that life is a race line. But I'll say it for you, Kanishka, because I never like saying no to anybody. It's one of my weaknesses and one of my strengths, probably. I don't like saying no to anybody. So it goes. Life is a race. अगर तेज नहीं भागोगे तो कोई और आगे निकल जाएगा. And you will be like a broken randa.
This is my _I stories. Hello, sir. How was your experience with Tollywood industry and especially with Pawan Kalyan, sir?
Oh man. Again, the same thing. Pawan Kalyan, when we went for some release, some music release, when he entered, I thought there was some explosion outside, really. And when he came in, and the public, when they screamed, actually, your eardrums go for a walk somewhere.
No, no.
And I'm saying, people. But when shooting, so he's this larger than life character. In real life, he's also larger than life on the set.
Yeah.
But the way he stand and speak, and the soft speaking voice of respect, and the way he spoke, and we would spend time to speak to each other, do a scene. He would come, he would stand next to me. I used to be on the wheelchair. He would put his hand to know that there are difficult scenes. I don't know. There's some silent communications between people, and there was so much respect, and I'm so happy that I did those films. I'm richer for the same. What a lovely person. What a lovely person. Humble and inclusive.
Of course. All right, sir. Sir, thank you very much as always. Wonderful learning experience as always.
My poor Mandvi sent so many messages. I just want to acknowledge that. And Dr. Nupur Krishnan is here. Hi, Dr. Nupur Krishnan. She's health expert. She's wonderful. She's helped me a lot. So if anyone says that, somebody says I look young, I'm 60 years old. And if I look young, thank you very much. I love listening to that. It's the one compliment I feel very kicked about. So thank you, Dr. Nupur Krishnan. You can look her up. She's amazing. Her advice is amazing, and her consultation is amazing. So I'd like to thank her also for it. And I think it's a good shout out. It's lovely. She's beautiful herself. So thank you. Love you too, Manvi. Love you all, in fact. I'm so glad I did this. It's cheered me up a little bit. Thank you for cheering me up, for Dunji. And thank you all for cheering me up. You're also lovely and also kind.
It's an honor, sir. It's our pleasure. And thank you very much. And please take care. And stay upbeat. I think important thing is to stay upbeat. I think that's the name of the game.
Yes, upbeat.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you very
Take
much.
care, sir.
God
Take
bless
care.
you all.
All the best, sir.
Bye, Anya too. Bye-bye.